CLF looks good. Really nice daily for a short. Right about now, actually. Let me have a look. 23.69.79, 20 cents. Not even 20 cents, guys. So I'm gonna try CLF short right now. I'm gonna try CLF short right now. 68, shorting CLF 68. I know it's a bit early. 68, that's why we have 23 over 23.80 will be the stop. I want to take some out right about now, guys. I'm taking some 23.43s, taking some 23.43s, guys, right here. Took my first partial. I'm happy with that. $61s I'm in. 61s, guys. 61s I'm in. Just entered a bit early, but that's fine. It's only my ad, and my stop is still over 23.75s. So with this one, ideally I would like to obviously continue and get to the lows, 23.40s. If it does, I will take some out. Alright, I'm gonna take some out. 42s, guys. 42s. Taking some out. I've taken some out. 42s. It might be early because it's about to break that low, guys. It seems like it wants to break that lows. If it doesn't, then we might have a reversal here. What we don't want to see is bouncing off of this place. That's why I took this out again, the second partial, which is great. I'm happy with that exit, but still waiting for that 23.37s to break. There we go, looking good, looking really nice. Alright, stop, guys, by the way, goes almost to break even. In fact, break even between the averages of the two entries. So 23.65s, stop goes down to break even. So on this one, I'm out on the break even, guys. Just got triggered right here on my other platform, and then I'm out of on the single trade that I was in. So really nice green on this one. I'm happy with that. HJLI is a short here, guys. 750s with a 775s, 20 cents stop. 755s, HJLI. So guys, HJLI, as I'm short 755s with a stop 775s. I'm short HJLI 755s, stop 20 cents. $7.23s, first partial out, stop on break even. What else do you want, right? I'm gonna be ending the stream, so just to update you on the plan. On this one, guys, we want this low to get taken out, and anywhere around 7s I'll take everything off, guys. If this breaks, make sure to put that stop to here, guys, just over that swing highs. Okay, for the moment, stop on break even. Worst case scenario, guys, we already had our partial. We've got a good green on it, and if it does take us out on break even, that's fine, perfectly fine. But if it doesn't, then it could give us a really good trade all the way to 7s. Update you on the other one as well quickly. Where was it? CLF, yep. Yeah, on this one, nice green. There's the details. I did explain it before. I might make a video about it anyways, so take it easy, guys. I will see you tomorrow in the live stream. Stay safe out there.